that heat on there so she can get a shot of it. You can actually see solder get pulled into that joint.
No, that's for copper. The other ones. Wait. No, that's for the.
Hold the heat right there so she can see that.
You can still use it. It's just got a higher melting temperature.
Give that a chance to cool off a minute. Hang on. Okay.
Stainless steel, you don't have to wait as long for it to cool off because of the metal, right?
No, but stainless steel holds heat longer.
Yeah, it's
so
gonna
you
be a
have
lot
to wait.
longer. You gotta wait.
You have to wait till it cools off. Don't go too far ahead of yourself.
Well, I had a gap on the belly side, right here and down here. So I'm just trying
So
to
wait till it cools off up here. If you hold this iron right here, you see that suck right into the joint. You can actually see it suck in. See?
Yeah. Yep.
It could be flux too.
We like those now. Completely. Takes a long time with stainless.
Well, we pre-tune ours before they go up there, so it's already got solder on it. So when
And
they
again,
get
you
hot,
can push that if you want.
it all sticks together.
Is that everybody? Everybody has a shot? You want to try? Okay. We'll just share you something. No, I prefer the thin on the stainless. Don't leave the heat on there too long because this stuff does not dissipate heat very well. See the difference in solders?
Just a 50-50.
50-50 has a little bit lower melting temperature, and it should set up a little bit quicker. Another thing you can do, Nick, is you can jump around, so you don't have to stay in one spot. While that's cooling, you can do a dot down below and then come back, just work back and forth so you're not watching grass grow. Yeah, it does not dissipate heat well at all.
Yeah. Sometimes they just get hired to fulfill the job of family services.